Welcome back to our channel, coffee lovers. Today, we have a special treat for you as we dive into the world of Italian cappuccino. You might think you know everything about this beloved beverage, but we're here to surprise you with some unknown facts that will make you appreciate your next cup even more. So sit back, relax, and let's uncover the secrets of Italian cappuccino. Buongiorno. Did you know that cappuccino is one of the most popular coffee drinks in Italy and around the world? But there's so much more to it than just espresso and milk. Let's start with our first unknown fact. Have you ever wondered where the name cappuccino comes from? Well, it actually derives from the Italian word cappuccio, which means hood. And it's no coincidence. The name refers to the color resemblance between the drink and the brown hoods worn by the Capuchin friars, who were members of a Catholic religious order. Did you know that in Italy, there's a strict rule about when you should drink your cappuccino? Italians typically enjoy a cappuccino only in the morning, preferably during breakfast. It's believed that consuming milk-based beverages later in the day may disrupt digestion. So, if you want to embrace the Italian tradition, make sure to savor your cappuccino before 11 a.m. The velvety foam atop a cappuccino, a true work of art. But did you know that there's an unwritten law when it comes to the foam to milk ratio in a traditional Italian cappuccino? A well-crafted cappuccino should consist of 1/3 espresso, 1/3 steamed milk, and 1/3 frothed milk. This perfect balance creates that beautiful layered effect and ensures an optimal taste experience. Brace yourselves, flavor enthusiasts. In Italy, cappuccino is traditionally enjoyed in its purest form, without any added flavors or syrups. Italians appreciate the delicate harmony of coffee and milk without any distractions. So, next time you're in Italy, embrace the simplicity and savor the authentic taste of a classic cappuccino. Cappuccino not only delights your taste buds but also captivates your eyes. Talented baristas worldwide showcase their creativity by crafting intricate designs on the foam surface. From hearts and rosettas to more complex patterns, these designs are made using a technique called latte art. So, every cappuccino is not only a delicious drink but also a miniature masterpiece. And there you have it, folks. Some unknown facts about Italian cappuccino that will surely enhance your appreciation for this iconic beverage. So, the next time you order a cappuccino, remember its origins, the strict serving time, the perfect foam ratio, the traditional simplicity, and the artistry that goes into its creation. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Until next time, keep sipping and stay caffeinated.